So today I had posted on Twitter about escorts and DLF. Escorts did not trigger buy, and DLF did. So the reason for choosing DLF is from the end of day chart. You can see that made a bullish harami and then a confirmation. So perfect buy for target of 878 on a positional basis and an intraday. Let's see what happened here. If you see the 15-minute chart, there is a nice set of resistances which it was constantly banging against, and this looks like it will give way, and the stock would move to 861 or 878 as we expected. So this is how it closed yesterday, and today morning we got a nice bullish kicker candle here, and I picked it up somewhere over here, this candle I think, and my stop loss was just 2 rupees, 3 rupees, something like that, and I closed half my position at 848 today, and I'm carrying over the rest of the position for target of 860 and mostly 878 because it should take out that high. So that's just logical. So this was the trade, right from identification in intraday chart to identification of trading opportunity within 15-minute chart, and exit of the trade, partial exit. Hope this was useful. If you think so, please do like and subscribe, and do share. Thank you very much. Bye bye.